Are you there? Nyabere, who was 14 at the time of the news of her brother's death, was deeply affected by it. She would not weep. Mnasikia smile? Are you hearing that smile? Can you smell it? What is that? Takataka zilikuwa zinachukuliwa leo. And what is that smell for? Who has polluted the air? Who is that? Nani ameanza hivyo? Sasa tu mmekula githeri umeanza kunyamba vibaya hivi. Who did that? Oh my goodness. Can you open the windows? Karibu na dirisha, open the windows. Let the fresh air in. God, Jesus. God. Oh my goodness.